Good morning, parents. I just wanted to go ahead and make another quick little video for you, instructing you how students can use Imagine Math at home. This is a website that is new to us this year at Thomas Manor Elementary, and the students have been very excited about it in class, and many have asked how they can use it at home. And I was just going to let you know how to do this, even though I've explained it to the children, just in case something gets lost in communication. In your child's daily folder, the purple folder, or some of you have had to switch to your own folder, it's fine. In this, there is a letter in a plastic sleeve that describes how the behavior chart works in class. On the back of this, you can see that there is a paper that says password parking and login information. On this page, you also notice, this is hard to do upside down, you notice a QR code, and this code has all of your child's login information. Let me show you first why this QR code is so helpful. Whenever you're trying to go to Imagine Math, you need to start by opening a new tab. And in this new tab, here in the URL entry place, you're going to type math, and you can see I've already done it, .imaginelearning.com. and press enter. This will take you automatically to the user sign-in page. And you can see that not only does this particular website excuse me, have a place to enter a username and a password, it also has the option to enter a site code. If we're asking children to type in and remember all of these things, it can get a little bit tricky for the best of us. So they have the option also where you can scan the QR code, and I'm instructing the children to do it this way. So they'll click this one time. Anytime you're scanning a QR code, of course, that involves the use of a webcam. So make sure that whatever tablet, computer, phone device that your child is using to go to Imagine Math has a webcam. If you haven't already granted it permission, you should see a little pop-up somewhere in this area that asks you to block or allow access to the webcam. Please allow the access, otherwise your camera will not be able to see the QR code. So now back to where we are in the folder. We went to that password parking and login information. And we'll cover this young lady's name. And so I will hold up her QR code to the webcam, and it's looking like my first inset of recording me has frozen. So if you hear me, but I cease to move, then my apologies. But you can see here the QR code for this young lady. I'm going to put it up to the webcam. And it may not be working because it's in the plastic sleeve. So let's try this, pulling it out just a little bit. And let it take a picture that way. And this is one of my students' login information. It's loading currently, but nice and easy. You've now gained access to Imagine Math. I hope that you find this helpful and that your child has a lot of fun using this program.